CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors Halatko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Menteri Ketenat Kekot Kekhia James PK Sangma Uloong Bakatenat Kekot Kekhia kan sawat yakilat kinanti kumno ban Pyntreikam no ya ke Maternal and Child Health Hospital kabadan Jowai. Yakani James Sangma ula penpau hagajing yakaran bat kilat pathai khubor hagajing la yo kejat jong u Shakleriat East Jenkia Hills District hagas ni satjain ka South Rik ubnai jilleo arhajar arpuar. Halor kajing penkeu tulop yaki Asha James Uloong bakatenat Kekot Kekhia marwai kamla ban ra yakani gamat ban penkeu tulop namarba yakani kam an hab banyakren bat katenat platingka jong ke Sorkar jilla.
The thing is that many projects like the MCH hospital in Jowai, the MCH hospital in Southwest Hills, many such projects were affected due to COVID, and we have seen that it has really thrown things off gear in the entire state. But we are very hopeful now that with things going back to normalcy in a gradual manner, that we will be able to now take up whatever low-hanging fruits there have been, and to ensure speedy implementation. So I'm hopeful that that we will be able to take up these low-hanging fruits, these projects which have been there but needed a little push, and that is something that as a department we want to now move ahead with that. See, Ashas were facing multiple problems, one of which was importantly the fact that they were not getting paid on time. So we examined this matter and we found that there was a lot of loss of time when it came to the kind of paperwork that was required. So to reduce the kind of paperwork, to reduce the time taken for such kind of disbursement of their emoluments, we came up with an online app, and we rolled it out in one of the blocks in Jowai district, and we found out that it was very successful in terms of reducing the time gap between the Ashas applying for their dues and the government releasing those funds. So that has been considerably reduced, and that has been a successful experiment, and we have rolled that out in the entire state. So we feel that now Ashas will not face the problem of late payment of their salaries or their money, but there are other problems as well in which they have asked for certain hikes. Those are things that we have to examine. Those are things which involve financial implications. So this is not something that health department on its own can take a decision. We have to also consult with finance and with planning, and accordingly we are doing the needful to examine this matter and see how it goes. So we will see how the matter proceeds.